Well, when I left school 3 years ago, lots of my friends went to university, but it was too expensive for me to go. I was unhappy because they seemed to be having a great time. I just had a job at a building company in my hometown. It was okay. At least I got paid. I was planning to save up money to go to university. But then I read about the apprenticeship in a magazine at work, and applied for it and got it. It's the best of both worlds, I think. Well, the apprenticeship is for a big construction company, and it's 4 years long. I work in a different department every 4 months, and learn what happens in each one. I'm in my 2nd year now. Last year I worked in planning, safety and administration. Now I'm working in the environmental department. And next I'm going to be working in services. I do 3 days a week in the office or on site doing a normal job. Then for 2 days per week, we have lectures and classes at the company's offices. They take on 12 a year, so at the moment there are, I guess, just under 50 of us altogether, over the 4 different year groups. Then the 12 people in my year are divided equally among the 3 departments. So there are 3 other people currently working in the environmental department with me. The 12 people in my year group meet up together on study days, and we learn the same things. Well, I agreed with the company to work for them for 3 years after I finished the training. But that's okay. I can decide which department I work in. So far, my favourite department to work in has been planning, so I might work in that. There are opportunities to work abroad too. The company does a lot of projects in Indonesia, so I'd like to go there. After those 3 years, I don't know.